Welcome to UK Theme Parks and welcome back to Thorpe Park Resort. Of course, Project Exodus is now green lighted and we are waiting for the ride to start construction. So we thought we'd come down, in fact Kurt's come down, to get some final shots of Loggers Leap, as I think this will be the next thing that sort of disappears from this site. Update you on the progress and indeed any winter works that we can see. Now whilst we know that Colossus is being retracked, we still can't see that from any area outside the park. So yeah, enjoy these shots of Loggers Leap. Now then, as you can see some of the fencing there, we did pick up on the fencing last time. That is being replaced right the way through the site. There's going to be a lot of people down here having a look at this over the next couple of years. And it's funny because we did initially say that, you know, a 2025 opening, everyone went, oh, 2024, and I went, oh yeah, 2024. But actually in hindsight, it's a very, very difficult one to predict this, because as it stands, 2024 is not that long away, certainly in coaster terms, and really nothing has happened on this site yet. There's no foundations been laid, there's still an old ride in the way, it's over water, so I'm still not 100% convinced that we've got a 2024 opening, and if we do, it's definitely a late in the season one, there is no doubt about that. But let us know below, what do you think realistically when you think about timescales? You know, Chessington's one started in September last year, ready for next year. I don't know, there's not long left to go, and this is a far, far bigger project. As you can see, the fence works continue down here, but there is big news in the fact that Rocky Express has been dismantled. So that has been taken out of its site. As you can see there's the location of it. It's not there anymore, and you'll see very, very shortly that it has been dismantled and laid sort of next to it. Now we understand, because we were aware of someone that actually wanted this, that the park told them it has been scrapped or is going to be scrapped. So I don't believe we're going to see this ride anywhere else. A couple of people have mentioned Chessington, but it's not on Chessington's radar for one of their new rides, and look at the condition of it, you wouldn't want that rocking up in a new area at one of the other parks. So sadly, this might be the last shots we get of Rocky Express, which is a real shame, but there we go. It's now out of its base. We'd expect ground clearing to finish there very shortly, because that'll be a main access point. As you can see, the train for Nemesis Inferno is still being worked on as well. As we move into some still shots, there's still a lot of debris to clear, basic debris to clear, but as you can see, a skip has arrived now at the old train shed. And you know, this image is just, you know, you've got sort of works in there from when it was a train right the way down now to where it's all being binned. But yeah, quite a lot of debris around, quite a lot of Halloween bits around. Obviously the Rumba Boats are stored down there as well. But what do you think with Project Exodus? You know, our initial thought was 2024, but actually in hindsight, I think I might have been right first time in saying 2025. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Sadly, Kurt didn't venture down far enough to see if the trains are still there, so we'll leave you with this wonderful shot of Stealth. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you soon.